In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell stocks using Wealthsimple Trade. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for more personal finance and Wealthsimple videos. Also, check the link below. You'll get $10 when you sign up and deposit $100 into your account. Now, let's get started. Okay, so this is what the Wealthsimple home screen looks like. As you can see your total balance and you can see your gains and losses for the past month and year, etc. When you go down, you'll see your portfolio. This is where all the stocks you've bought are and the stocks you have are. And over here, you can see any pending orders. Right now, I have one pending order. You can also see the amount of money you have available to trade, and you can see your watch list. So now let's go over how to buy a stock. So to buy a stock, all you have to do is click on this magnifying icon on the top right. And now there's three ways you can find stocks. You can either search for them with their name or their symbol. If you're looking for Tesla, just type in Tesla and it'll pop up, or you can type in the stock name, Tesla, like that, and click on it, and then you can buy the stock. As you can see, there's buy and sell because I do own the stock, so I can sell it as well. But normally, if you don't own the stock, you'll just see the green buy button. Now, if I want to go back, you can also go to browse stocks. So there's the top list and the categories. Categories just shows you, different categories like banking, etc. Click on it and you'll see the stocks. You can sort these by popularity, market cap, and average volume. And you can also go to top list. So I'll show you the top 100 on Wealthsimple, the most active stocks, the top gainers, and the top losers. Same thing, you just click on the list and then find the stock you're looking for. Let's say we're going for Air Canada. You just click on it, and as you can see, there's the buy button down here. Now, the third way is to use the feature today section. This will just feature some stocks. Like today, there's restaurants like McDonald's and Starbucks, travel, construction, etc. So I'm actually going to go to the top list and I'm going to go to view all stocks, and we're going to buy Air Canada. So as you can see the 1 day price. So I am trading on the weekend. Right now it's Saturday. The last active day was Friday. So it will show you the last active day. It opened at $22 about, and it went down to $21.88. So now you can see more information down here if you want, and you can see any previous orders you put in. Now to buy the stock, just click on the green buy button, and now the screen will show you the Air Canada price, the estimated cost, and the available amount you have to trade. So click on the market buy up here. There's three ways to trade. So market buy will just give you the price that the market is at. You don't know for sure what it's going to be. Let's say we put in an order for one stock over here under market buy. We might get it for $21.87, or we might get it for $21.90 or lower. Just whatever the stock is currently trading at, that's around the price you should get. I don't like market buy because you could get any price. I like limit buy. Limit buy is what I choose to trade for, and that's the second option. So limit buy will allow you to put in your price. So let's say my price is $21.40 and $21.40 is my limit. This will ensure any stock that I buy will be $21.40 or under, which is why I like it so much. And the third option is stop limit buy, is when you choose a stop price, and after the price reaches the stop price, your order is converted to a limit order. Since this is a beginner video, I recommend sticking with market buy or limit buy. So for a limit buy, let's pretend I want to buy it at $21.40 because that's the highest price I'm willing to pay. Put in $21.40, then click continue. Now it's going to ask you how many stocks you want to buy. Obviously, you can't buy 10 million stocks if you don't have that much money. As you can see, it'll say not enough funds to complete this trade. You can add more funds by clicking the button. And the funds will take about 2 to 3 business days to get into your account. As you can see, I have available to trade $476. So let's say I want to buy maybe 12 stocks. The estimated cost is going to be $256.80. And that's calculated by the amount of stocks you want multiplied by the limit price. So let's say I want to buy one stock, it's going to be $21.40. Buying two stocks is going to be double. And buying three stocks is going to be triple. So let's say I want 12 stocks, it's going to be 12 times the price of one. And then you click continue. Normally you wouldn't see this page, you would see the order summary page. But since the market is closed, it'll place the order on the next opening day, which is February 8th on the Monday at 9:30. It's asking me if I want to continue. I'm going to click continue. Now this is the order review page. So it's telling us that we're buying 12 shares of Air Canada for $21.40 each. There's no commission because it is a Canadian stock, which is great. And the cost is going to be $256.80. You can also turn this button on to keep your order open until a max of 90 days. So what will happen is the order will stay open. And if you think, let's say Air Canada is going to drop below $21.40 or be at $21.40 within the next week or month, you can keep the order active and it will execute your order, which is a great feature because you don't have to place a new order every single day. So just click confirm order when you're done. And it's, as you see, it says sending order. And as you can see, the order has been sent. So the total estimated cost is $256.80. This may change since it may be lower since it is a limit order, but that is the maximum you're going to be spending. So you can click view order details, and as you can see, it's a limit. The status is pending, and the order expiry is until canceled, and it was submitted on February 7th. And we're buying 12 shares for $21.40. You can also click cancel order here. Now I'm going to show you another way to cancel your order. So another way would be going to your pending orders under your portfolio. Click on that. I have two open. Click on Air Canada, then click cancel the order, then click yes to confirm. It may take 1 to 5 minutes to complete this. On a busy trading day, it may take even more. So as you can see, it's canceled. Now let's go over how to sell a stock. So any stock you own will be under this portfolio section. As you can see, I own 3 stocks. And let's go to BMO. I currently own 7 shares. And as you can see over here, there's a buy and sell button. This will only pop up if you own a stock. So to sell it, obviously, you're going to click the white sell button. And now, obviously, we're not going to do market sell. We're going to do limit sell. And let's say I want to sell it for $110 each. And I want to sell, let's say I want to sell all my stocks, which is 7. You can also choose 1 or 2. We're going to do 7 shares. And I'm going to continue. And now this is the order summary page. So we have 7 shares selling for $110 each. That's going to be $770. So I can choose to keep this open or not. It's just a test order, so I'm just going to click confirm order. And as you can see, the order went through. So it's a limit sell and it's good for the day. That means the order will be active from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Monday, which is the next trading day. So if no one buys the stock within that time period, the order will automatically be canceled and you'll have to make a new order for the next day since we didn't toggle on the 90-day feature. Now I'm going to cancel this order as well. And yeah, that's all for the video. Hopefully you found this video helpful. This was just a quick and easy video to teach you how to buy and sell stocks on Wealthsimple Trade. It's overall a great beginner platform with no fees for trading Canadian stocks. And it's honestly what got me into investing in stocks in the first place. You should sign up if you haven't already. You can use the link in the description to sign up and you'll get $10 when you deposit your first $100 into your account. Comment down below if you have any questions or video suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be uploading more videos on Wealthsimple and personal finance. See you in the next video.